Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today let's solve for x with inequalities. Let's start with the first one, which is 5x plus 7 is less than or equal to 22. Very simple basic inequality. This works out to 5x. Subtract 7 on both sides, we get is less than or equal to 22 minus 7 gives me 15. Divide by 5 on both sides gives me 3. So x is less than or equal to 3. This is just basic inequalities. Now when we come to, remember when we divide or by negative numbers, we usually flip the sign. So let's try that out here. First thing we need to do is multiply, distribute 8 and 5. So let's start. 8x minus 32 is greater than or equal to 15x minus 60. Group the x's together, we get negative. We bring this side and we get 7. X is greater than or equal to negative 60 plus 32 gives me negative 28. All right, so I divide by negative 7 and negative 7. When you divide by a negative number, we have to flip the sign and we get x is less than or equal to, divide here, we get 4 less than equal to 4. And remember, when we're solving inequalities, we usually have to show these inequalities on a number line or an interval notation. So let's convert this into interval notation, where x is less than or equal to 3. That means all the numbers from negative infinity up to the number 3. All right, and we include the number. We use square bracket when we include the number less than and equal to. So here we have x is less than or equal to 4. Again, all numbers from negative infinity up to the number 4, but we include the number 4. Thank you for watching solving for x using inequalities.